And other usage for using percentage to measure to what extent is common size income statement. So what is common size income statement? It is a, an income statement express each item as a percentage of total sale or revenue. For example, this is Apple company, the famous Apple company's income statement for the past 5 years, from 2013 to 2017. Uh, this is the real number. This is the revenue. Revenue at last year, 2017 is, remember, the unit here is million, so is 229 billion. So the cost of revenue is 141 billion. What means the cost of revenue? The cost of revenue is the expense directly relate to the to the production of the company's goods and service, and operating expenses is the expense that is not directly relates to the production of the goods or service. Uh, for example, the the salary for marketing or the staff at human resource department is not directly related to the production of Apple company's products and service, so it is operating expense. But the salary of uh, engineering in manufacturing the Apple laptop or Apple uh, iPhone are directly related to the company's uh, company's uh, goods, so it is the cost of revenue. Net income is the revenue, the total revenue minus the cost of revenue and the operating expenses and the interest expenses and other income and expenses and the tax. So we got the net income. Overall, net income is just the revenue minus the cost or the expenditure or the expense. So the common size income statement is every item. The revenue is the base. Every number here, every number divides by the revenue. For example, 2017, the cost of revenue. Let's express how much, how to how to some extent of the cost of the revenue, how to measure it. We just use this number, oh, divide by the revenue. Yeah. And then we got a fraction. We can get a percentage. For example, we want to know the net income. How about the net income of 2017? How big it is to some extent? Use this number. Minus or divide by the total revenue. So we can get a percentage. This makes the comparison easier. Look at the common size statement. The revenue is the base, 100%, and every number divides by the base. So give us a percentage. It's easier to do the comparison with percentage. We can tell, oh, in the past 5 years, the percentage of net income, actually this number, this percentage in accounting is called the profit margin, is financial ratio. Profit margin. The profit margin is pretty stable. It stayed at about 21%, and this percentage in finance, it is called the this percentage in finance, it is called gross margin. It looks pretty stable too. It stayed at about between 37% to 40%. So when we look at this percentage, we can tell, oh, in the past 5 years, Apple income is from this income statement, we can tell this company is very stable and promising, because look at the profit margin is pretty high.